welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. So with that being said, I have a nice healthy recipe for you guys. For today's video, we are going to be making a nice delicious salad with some Cajun shrimp on top. Let me go over the ingredients so you guys know exactly what you need. So for the list of ingredients, you are going to be needing some romaine lettuce. And for my spices, I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of each of these. So half a teaspoon of thyme and half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, or you can use less if you don't like heat. Half a teaspoon of Slap Your Mama seasoning, and I am going to be using some cayenne pepper, some paprika, and some basil leaves and garlic powder. And also you are going to be using some jalapeno peppers, and I have some black olives that I'll be using, and I have some olive oil I'll be using as well, and 1 lime and avocado. And for the dressing, I am using the Olive Garden signature Italian dressing just because I love Olive Garden salad. I did purchase this from Walmart, so if you want, you can look for it at your local grocery store. You are going to be needing some strawberries, and I have some shrimp that I'll be showing you guys how I cook them. Please don't forget to check down in the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So to get started, you want to go ahead and grab your lettuce. I'm going to cut the ends, okay? Get rid of that. And then I'm going to cut them. Make sure you cut them at a decent size. You don't want them to be too big, and you don't want them to be too small either, okay? And I'll throw this part away, and then I'll cut it straight in the middle again, just so it can be bite-sized pieces, okay? And I do have this little salad spinner here that I purchased on Amazon. I'll show you how it works. It's 3 parts. You put that one inside, you put your lettuce in there, you rinse it under some water. Once you rinse it under the water, you put it in there, and then you spin it so it can get rid of some of that extra liquid that we don't need on our salad, and then you just toss the liquid away and use your salad, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put my lettuce in there. That way I can clean it, because you don't want to not clean your lettuce, because you guys know with everything you eat, you must clean it. Especially right now with this corona going on, all type of crazy stuff going on, okay? And if your lettuce have this little brown mark right here, you don't need to eat it. Just toss it, cut it off, throw it away, okay? Safer than sorry. So again, I'm going to cut it in half just so I can have some bite-sized pieces. My lettuce is flying all over the place. It's all over the floor, but it's okay. And I forgot to tell you guys, you are going to be needing some tomatoes. So I have some Roma tomatoes. My knife is not sharp at all, and I'm going to cut it. If you have cherry tomatoes, obviously it's best, but this is what I have right now, so that's what I'm using. Cutting my tomatoes, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and place them in here. I have some strawberries on here, and with my strawberries, going to cut them into 4 half, and then cut them into 4, okay? Just like that. And grab the other ones, do the same. I want to try to show you guys everything, but I also don't want the video to be extra long, so that's why I'm trying to rush through it. Not really rush, but I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully everybody's safe. Crazy time going on right now. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. And with my avocados, I already went ahead and cut the top, but I'm going to save that one to cut it once my salad is all done, okay? So I'll come back and show you guys how I put everything together. I already went ahead and transferred my salad into this beautiful salad bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and throw in the strawberries and my tomatoes, And I am going to be using some jalapenos. I just like the taste of jalapenos in my salad. Plus Olive Garden does have those pickled peppers in theirs. Okay, and I am going to be using some black olives. At this moment I can't really take a trip to Olive Garden, so this is my beautiful version of their salad. Using their own dressing. Shake it up, make sure you mix it really well, and now we are going to dress the salad. Okay, I like to do this before I cook my shrimp, because the shrimp is done in a short amount of time, and my salad can always stay in the fridge and wait for the rest of the party to join the crew. Okay, toss it really well. Make sure each pieces are coated with the salad dressing. It already smells so good. Okay, and then now I'm going to put this in the fridge and we can start working on our shrimp. Okay, so for the shrimp, I'm doing this extra step. For those of you who don't know, if you are new to my channel, everybody else know how I roll when it comes to my meats. So I'm going to remove the tails just because I don't want to spend the extra time to remove it when I am eating. I like to just grab my food and throw it right in my mouth without delaying it, doing extra steps as I'm eating. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I will go ahead and grab the lime and really scrub each pieces, and then rinse it under some cold water. Make sure you don't rinse it under hot water. We don't want to start the cooking process when we are still cleaning our shrimp. So make sure you rinse it under some very cold water, and then I will come back and show you guys how I season my shrimp. All right, now you want to grab the other half of your lime and squeeze a little bit of the juice, about half a teaspoon, which I did not really measure because you guys know how I roll. I already know what to do. So half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit of cayenne pepper. Again, with the cayenne pepper, if you like heat, of course you can add a little more, but if you don't like much heat, add less. A little bit of my basil leaf, and with this as well, I'm going to just eyeball it for my thyme. And my Slap Your Mama seasoning, you guys know how much I love this. And remember, this does have a little bit of salt in it, so I'm using half a teaspoon, which I am just eyeballing just because I kind of know what I'm doing. And a little bit of red pepper flakes and paprika. If you have smoked paprika, it's delicious in this recipe as well. I use both, whichever I reach first, that's what I grab. So if you have some smoked paprika, you can definitely use that. I can't speak for some odd reason, but now you want to go ahead and mix everything. Okay, and let that sit in your fridge for about 10 minutes before we start cooking them. To cook the shrimp, I'm using an iron skillet. You want to turn your stove to medium high, and now you want to go ahead and put some olive oil in that pan. Okay, not too much, and make sure it is spread throughout the pan. Make sure you don't burn your hand, but I seem to think I'm superwoman using this without a pot holder. And now you want to grab your shrimp. Okay, we are going to cook them 3 minutes on each side. You guys know shrimp does not take time to cook at all. Okay, once they turn that beautiful pink color, you know they are done. Then we can place them on top of our gorgeous salad. Again, 3 minutes or less on each side. Okay, and do not overcrowd your pan. my shrimps are done, I'm going to go ahead and remove them, and then I will show you guys how I plate my salad. Alright guys, everything is all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some salad, put it in my beautiful salad bowl over here. Okay, I love fresh salads like that, and I love adding the shrimp to give me the protein that I need. That way I don't have to overeat. Once I eat this, this is all I need. And I am going to grab a couple pieces of shrimp. You can either place it right on top just to make it nice, a nice presentation. Okay, I like a lot of shrimp. And then you can take your avocado, peel it just like that, and just place it on the plate. Okay, I like a lot of avocados as well. For some reason I always have luck when I'm picking these tiny little avocados from Walmart, but I don't know, I love avocados. I don't care the size. And this is what my plate look like. You can't tell me this don't look good, and you can't tell me this is not satisfying. Okay, so I'm going to have Dante try this salad so he can tell you guys his honest opinion. So he will end the video for me, and I guess I will see you guys in my next one.
Okay guys, I have already started eating the salad, but I'm going to go ahead and try before I completely finish this entire salad. So here we go. The spice of the shrimp just completely balances out with the salad itself. It's all just so good mixed together, so good. And this could be just eaten as just like a normal meal. It doesn't have to be like as a side or anything. It's just so good. But that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and share. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications. Also turn that button on. And yeah, that's it. Bye.